Today we're going to go over a few tips to prevent the wobbly head on amigurumi. The most important thing that you can do to keep your amigurumi pieces sturdy is to have everything properly stuffed. You can see here in this unicorn that I'm making that the head is firmly stuffed and there are no lumps or loose pieces. The next thing that I do is use pins to secure the body and the head together. This prevents your pieces from moving around while you're sewing them. You can use any kind of pins for doing this, but I prefer using T-pins. After the head is securely pinned to the body, thread your sewing needle. While you're sewing, be sure that your needle is going through the full stitch, not just the top stitches. Be sure to pull each stitch tightly as you sew. Continue sewing around, removing pins as you work. Do not sew the piece entirely around. You want to leave a little space at the end. Once you have only about an inch left to sew, you're going to add more stuffing into the hole. The reason that head wobble often happens is that the weight of the head is too much for the understuffed neck to hold. Adding extra stuffing here gives the head more support and leaves no extra room for the head to flop over. After you have the neck firmly stuffed, you can continue sewing the pieces together and fasten off.